AI engineers, the architects of innovation. AI engineers are like the masterminds behind the curtain. They build and train artificial intelligence systems. Think of them as the architects of the AI revolution. These skilled professionals are responsible for creating the algorithms and models that power AI applications. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis tools, AI engineers are shaping the future. These engineers don't just work with code, they solve complex problems. They use their expertise to create AI systems that can analyze data, learn from experience, and make decisions. This requires a deep understanding of computer science, mathematics, and the specific industry they are working in. AI engineers are in high demand. Companies across various sectors are eager to leverage AI's power to improve efficiency, productivity, and innovation. As the field of AI continues to grow, the demand for skilled AI engineers will only continue to rise.
Many people fear that AI will replace human jobs. While it's true that AI can automate certain tasks, it's also creating new opportunities. Think of it this way. When ATMs were first introduced, people worried about bank tellers losing their jobs. However, ATMs freed up tellers to focus on more complex tasks, such as providing financial advice. The same is happening with AI. As AI takes over repetitive or mundane tasks, it opens up new possibilities for humans to focus on more creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of their work. This shift in the job market requires adaptation and upskilling, but it ultimately leads to more fulfilling and well-paying jobs. AI is not here to replace us, it's here to augment our abilities. By taking over tedious and time-consuming tasks, AI frees up human workers to focus on what they do best, think critically, solve problems, and innovate.
The impact of AI on job creation is not just a futuristic concept, it's happening right now across various industries. Take the healthcare industry, for example. AI is being used to analyze medical images, assisting doctors in making faster and more accurate diagnoses. This has led to the creation of new jobs for AI specialists who develop and maintain these systems. In the manufacturing sector, AI-powered robots are working alongside human workers to improve efficiency and safety.